Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Learn with Ajia. Do you feel curious about the world? Do you like to learn new and interesting facts? Then you are in the right place. Welcome to our new series General Knowledge Quick Quiz. I am your host Ajia and this is our new series. We test your brain with fun general knowledge questions. It's time to learn, play and see how much you really know. Are you ready? Let's get started with our first question. Question number one is what is the smallest country in the world by area? Option A Monaco, option B Vatican City, option C Liechtenstein, option C San Marino. So what is your answer? The right answer is option B Vatican City. Question number two is what is the hardest natural substance on earth? Option A gold, option B diamond, option C quartz, and option D obsidian. What's your answer? The right answer is option B, diamond. Question number three is the Great Wall of China was built mainly to protect against which group? Option A, Mongols. Option B, Huns. Option C, Vikings. Option D, Persian. What's your answer? The right answer is option A, Mongol. The question number four is who wrote The Catcher in the Rye? Option A, F. Scott Fitzgerald. Option B, J.D. Salinger. Option C, Ernest Hemingway. Option D, Harper Lee. What is your answer? The correct answer is option B, J.D. Salinger. Question number five is in which sports is the term birdies used? Option A, tennis. Option B, golf. Option C, badminton. Option D, baseball. What's your answer? The right answer is option B, golf. Question number seven. Which fruit has its seeds on the outside? Option A, raspberry. Option B, strawberry. Option C, blueberry. Option D, blackberry. What is your answer? The right answer is option B, strawberry. Strawberry. Question number six is what is the largest mammal in the world? What is the largest mammal in the world? Option A, African elephant. Option B, blue whale. Option C, giraffe. And option D, orca. What is your answer? Right answer is option B, blue whale. Blue whale is the largest mammal in the world. The final score winners count your score. And thank you for watching. If you're enjoying this quiz, give the video a thumbs up. Did that question surprise you? Let me know with the like. Smash that like button if you learned something new today. Press the like button to show your support. A like really helps this channel to grow and tell me you want more content like this.